Toni Drugman with Sit Means Sit Dog Training, where a trained dog is a happy dog. Today, we're going to talk about what we teach on the first day of obedience class. In our class, we teach the art of attention and place. Attention, because it's difficult to teach the dog anything without acquiring his attention around distractions, and place because it acts as a calming and relaxing exercise. It's difficult to get the dog to pay attention if you can't get him relaxed and calm. So the two exercises go hand in hand. Let's talk about some training equipment. Here we have training collar of choice. Could be a slip collar, could be a head halty directing the head, a pinch collar, a remote training collar. We want a 6-foot training leash, some favorite food treats, a food pouch, and a favorite toy. We're ready to get going. Attention to our dog as a concept is simple. We only reward the behavior we want attention. In this case, we want our dog to stay on a loose leash and remain with us, and we won't take one step forward until he can do this. When he can perform this, then we'll begin to move, and it'll be the same goal. Our expectation is a loose leash, walking, stop, turn, and that's it. That's attention. So let's take a look at it right now. Okay. Let's move Shadow out on a nice loose leash for me, Sue. Now our training specialty is working with the remote collar, and that's how she's cueing the dog for attention, and her leash is nice and loose and doing a beautiful job. She's going to direct Shadow back to her place. And this next dog is a puppy, and he may need a little more help with his training tools and his food and all that kind of stuff. Let's go ahead with Callie. We want a loose leash. There we go. We want to stop and bring Callie right back to position without using your leash. So you want to maintain that leash with more slack. There you go. And you're going to only go one step and then stop and ask Callie to come back to you. And then tap and bring her back and use your food to reward her and bring her back. That's what the food is for, to help the dog maintain attention. That's perfect. Keep your leash loose, walk forward, tap and ask her to come. Keep your leash loose. There you go. Tap and come back. Yes, and stop and bring her back right to the food. Use your food to help you. Good, and that's the start of teaching that attention. Let's take her back and show the same thing with Levi. Okay, let's bring Levi out. I want you to tap using your remote training collar for attention. Use your food and keep that leash slack. Now stop and bring him right back to you. Perfect, and go ahead and feed him quickly. There you go, and reward the right behavior. Very nice. Tap and go forward. That's our attention cue. Come. There you go. And take him on back. Come. He's a puppy, and so very good. Nice. And back to our place. And Elsa, let's bring your dog out. This is Peanut. Loose lead. Turn around. Come. Come. Very nice, Peanut. Come. And back to the place. And let's do one with Miss Emmy. A nice loose lead. That's exactly what we want. We want to turn. We want her to follow you and back to the place. The place we use is the calming exercise. It's easier for the dog to do the place exercise after he's walked and had some practice thinking. And that's how what we teach our dogs in our first day of obedience class. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Toni Drugman. And remember, a trained dog is a happy dog.